Alright, in this lesson we're going to talk about factorization of algebra by extracting the common factors. Okay, so this is, let's call this method 1, alright? There are many methods to do it depending on the question. Okay, so if you meet a question such as AB plus AC, what's the common factor in this case? Isn't it A? So you extract the common factor, okay, and you put B plus C in brackets. Okay, this is just an example, alright? So let's try a question, alright? Let's try 8x plus 10. Alright, how do you factorize this? What's the highest common factor of 8 and 10? Okay, it's 2. Alright, so 2 times 4x will give you 8x, and 2 times 5 will give you 10. So this is in its factorized form. Alright, so let's try another question. Let's say you have 15x squared minus 10xy. Okay, what do you get? What's the highest common factor of 15 and 10? It's 5. Alright, and any other common factors? Yes, x. Okay, 5x times 3x will give you 15x squared. Okay, 5 times 2 will give you 10. Okay, so I write a 2 here. And not to forget y. So 5x multiplied by 2y, I will get a 10xy. Yet another example. Okay, 2 pi r squared plus 4 pi r h. Once again, what's the highest common factor? Look at the numbers first. What's the highest common factor? Highest common factor is 2. Any others? Yes, pi is a common factor as well as r. Okay, 2 pi r multiplied by r will give me 2 pi r squared. Okay, 2 times 2 will give me 4. Okay, so the last term would be h. So 2 pi r times 2h will give me 4 pi rh. There you go, this is in its factorized form. Maybe one last question. Okay, if you have got 3x 4x minus 1 minus 2 4x minus 1. Okay, in this case, have you got any common factors in this case? Yes, you realize that the common factors are this. You consider this as one whole term and this as another whole term. Common factors are here in the brackets. So extract 4x minus 1. Okay, and the other factor will be 3x minus 2.